This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert from Ethereum to British pounds online. So we're doing ETH to GBP right here. I like to use this calculator. It's actually from Coinbase themselves at coinbase.com. I'll put that URL, which you can see on the screen here, in the video description as it's quite long, and you can just click on that link and you'll wind up right here. So this is the converter. By default, it shows us what one Ethereum is equal to in GBP right now. So you can see one Ethereum is currently £2,125.53. If we wanted to know what, let's say 12, or you can see that the amount is changing right here. 12 is just over 25,000 right now. Let's say 12.5, just to be a bit more specific. Say you have 12.5, or you want to buy 12.5 for whatever reason. You can see right now at current market rates, and they use obviously Coinbase's own market rates, and it's pretty accurate as of the current time and date. You can see that 12.5 Ethereum is currently $26,569.06. Let's say you're going for the big bucks, you're going 120 Ethereum, you want to know how much that is. We can see right now it is £255,063 actually on the nose. You can see 0.00, so that's on the nose, 255,063 pounds, even £255,000. So you can see this is a super handy calculator. You can actually do different currencies right here, different cryptocurrencies and different worldwide currencies as well right here, and you can use the search to find the one that you want. It's a really handy calculator. You can bookmark this wherever you are in the world, whether you're on cell phone, mobile, tablet, desktop, it's always here for you. So bookmark it. Hopefully you found this video on how to convert from Ethereum to British pound useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.